Getting a lot of people messaging me asking if Bitcoin's going to pull back. Everybody's starting to get FOMO now. Bitcoin has started to rip. It touched $44,000 yesterday. I'm not entirely sure what it's sitting at this morning. There used to be a time when I'd check the Bitcoin price 3-4 times a day. I don't do that anymore now. I've just got money in certain things. I just leave it. Don't FOMO into things. Never buy when it's ripping. There'll always be a pullback. Now, people have started to say, but is it going to come back down to $20,000? I don't know. I don't think so. Unless there's a catastrophe, unless one of the big crypto exchanges goes down, or somebody's been doing something fraudulent with it. Unless there's some massive major news story, a little bit like the FTX crash, it ain't going to see $20,000 before it sees $100,000, in my opinion. But if you don't know an awful lot about, TA, technical analysis and things like that, it's hard for you to see it. But what you need to do is look at a chart and just see how much it's gone up and where there are some support lines. Where's the resistance? Where's the support? It doesn't take an awful lot for you to just get a general grasp of things like that and just see where it might pull back to. The other thing that you can have a little look at is what's called the funding rates. If you know anything about longs and shorts, that's where all the money is, and they're going to try and liquidate and get as much money out of it. So if everybody is now putting money on Bitcoin going up, which is longing it, and they're using leverage, what tends to happen is the market makers will bring that market down to liquidate the long positions to get all of the liquidity. So in my sort of small dabble at crypto trading, when everybody's going long, it's a good idea to go short. And when everybody's going short, it's quite often a good time to go long. So yeah, Bitcoin's ripped and ripped and ripped for the last few days. So there will be some sort of pullback. Of course there will, because all the liquidity is sitting at higher price levels and they want that money to come out so that the exchanges can make their money. And then it will go up again. So it will pull back. I don't know, maybe it'll touch the 35s, 37s at some point. But don't just go chucking your life savings into Bitcoin or something now because it's gone up, because there will be a pullback. When there's a bit of a pullback, then start sticking some money in. It's not an exact science. If anybody's telling you they know exactly, they're bullshitters. It's guesswork to a larger extent. It's hopium on some other extent. And don't forget, the market makers are really the ones that are in control. But crypto's looking decent at the minute. December, not usually the greatest of months. Let's see where it ends.